Hey Mannequin Charmers, I know it's been a while, but I had to put out a video for you guys. So I know I've been MIA for a little bit and haven't been posting videos, but I'm in the process of transitioning. So soon I'll be putting out more videos. And also I'm in the process of rebranding my channel, so I'm not stuck into just doing balloons and events. I want to do other things, if you understand what I mean. It'll have more lifestyle vlogs, home decor DIYs. I don't know why the camera's acting up. So yes, it'll be home decor DIYs, a little bit of fashion as well, and of course balloons and events. I'll still put out my tutorials, but it won't be just balloon tutorials. It'll be other things as well. And if you're interested in stuff like that, drop a comment down below and let me know what you want to see on the channel so I can try to create content towards it. But I couldn't leave you guys in the dark without letting you know what's going on. So just stay tuned and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, be blessed guys.